Hello and welcome back to
the Zak
and Boz
Review.
So, what are we reviewing today?
It's me this time.
You!
Yes,
Wow.
me. Woohoo!
What have you brought in?
A very exciting product.
Yeah. You say exciting slightly hesitantly.
I can say exciting. Well, no, some people might find this very exciting.
Right.
My wife finds it exciting, and I'm yet to find out whether or not it's exciting.
Okay, that's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
Wow. Okay,
There.
that's quite a big package.
There we go. It is the Littens, okay, extra filled 50 centimetre by 90 centimetre luxury super king sized white duck feather and down pillow, 100% cotton.
So, you say king size, it doesn't look that big.
Actually, it's super king size. Well, I believe it's super king. Well, it's king size for the cushion pillow. Right, okay, I've got to explain this, ladies and gentlemen. My wife and I have got a super king size bed. Okay.
Yeah, it's a big bed. It's a big bed.
And in all the time we've had this super king size bed, we've had super king size duvets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Duvets.
Or duvets, as we like to call them. Duvets.
I like that. I like that.
We've ended up with kind of like 9 normal pillows.
Yeah.
I like my pillows. Mm-hmm. And we've had sort of like 9 pillows because the bed is kind of 3 people wide.
Yeah.
So a normal pillow, and I like 2 pillows. I don't know if you like 2 pillows on your bed at least. We have 2 pillows minimum. In fact, I have a V pillow as well, which I find very comfortable.
Yeah, these honestly.
But 9 pillows plus V pillow.
So very luxurious.
It's a lot of pillowcases.
It is.
That's what I keep getting told, and I do change the bed myself
I'm
sometimes.
interested to see if this is going to expand because
I
it
hope
just
so.
looks normal pillow
I hope
size.
so. I've got a cutting tool. So anyway, the story goes that my wife was looking into some new pillows. Now,
Yeah.
I know that feather pillows are not everybody's cup of tea
Right.
because a lot of people have allergies these days. I don't suffer from allergies. My wife doesn't suffer from it. You don't.
Hopefully I don't.
I like a feather and down pillow, okay, opposed to having a hollow-fibre synthetic pillow, which I find they tend to either be too gutless and floppy, and or they just are so hard they're just not comfortable. Okay, so anyway, my wife was looking around to buy some new bedding for our super king size bed.
Yep.
And discovered, after all these years, you can actually get these super king size pillows, which means that instead of changing 9 plus pillowcases,
Okay.
the idea is that we actually just have 2 pillows, because these are meant like 2 pillows does the width of the bed.
Right. Okay. That's fair enough.
So less pillowcases.
So this is going to be the Godzilla of pillows.
I'll be very careful here, because if I snap this, my elbow is going to slip off it.
Deary me. Come on, open it up, open it up, open it up, open it up.
Oh, I love this show. It's like Christmas every day.
Or, well, we seem to mention Christmas in every blooming video.
Ta-da!
There we go.
There we go. I
Boom.
don't know what it says because I can't read it on the screen. It is the natural duck and feather down extra fill super king size pillow.
Well, hey.
Hey, get in there. You see,
Or
even
lie on it.
us chaps can get excited over this. And look at this. Okay, you're paying for.
I mean, it's your pillow. It's not my pillow. I can't get excited about it.
Apart from the fact that when you come home from doing night shifts, you end up sleeping in our bedroom.
You do have
Because
a
we-
very, very comfortable
We
bed.
have a very luxurious bed. So there we go. Oh, look, it even comes in a zippy packet. I don't know.
Not surprised given the price.
Are we meant to use this packet afterwards for some? I mean, you obviously.
That's a good point, actually.
I mean,
then-
am I likely to put a pillow back in this bag? I don't know. Am I paying extra money for this luxurious
Luxury bag.
I do like a luxury bag with my luxury pillow.
You like saying luxury.
Yes, it's like having luxury nibbliettes.
Oh, I knew you were going to bring up like cheese or something like that. I knew
Luxury.
it.
Look at this. Look, it's 1 pillow.
Good.
It's
grief.
gigantic. It needs. Now the great thing the great thing with feather pillows is you fluff them up.
This is the size of me. Good grief.
Look at that.
That.
It's doubled in size already.
Oh my God.
It's been in its compression bag.
Definitely the Godzilla of pillows.
This is the Godzilla of pillows. 2 of these, superb. Okay. The great thing is we can do a pillow test.
A pillow test.
Okay. Turn your back to mine.
Okay.
Okay. See if we can do this. Is that comfortable or is that comfortable?
It smells of feathers.
Smells of feathers. It's look at that.
Yeah.
Luxury.
I could fall asleep on that.
It's luxurious.
Yeah.
100% cotton. Look, it even comes with a luxury little label in the corner. Look, let's show you that. Look, put my hand underneath it. It's a luxury silk effect. Silk effect.
Silk effect?
So,
What are you doing?
okay, we need to test it as well. Okay, hello.
Ah! Jesus!
Did that work?
Why would you do that?
Again. Oh
my
yes,
back!
yes, I think this is good for pillow fighting.
No. Revenge!
Revenge. I've just been bashed by luxury pillows.
You've gone luxury pillow mad.
Luxury pillow man. Oh, look at that. I think that they have in Japan sort of like some kind of weird cult where you can buy pillows and have them like printed out. They're like pillows you snuggle. Snuggle pillows?
You could get like body pillows.
Body pillows, that's what I'm telling you. There's some
Oh.
kind of, I don't know, some kind of anime or something kind of
I mean,
thing.
I've got a giant pillow of my face in a box.
Yeah, in a box.
upstairs.
We don't talk about that though.
It's,
Anyway,
it's
we're talking
horrifying to
about
look
my luxury, because the thing is, my wife, bless, hi Tina, she bought one of these and she's been enjoying the luxurious duck and down 100% cotton super king size pillow on her side of the bed.
Just in case by now you didn't know what it was.
On her side of the bed, okay? But I haven't as yet had my own.
But now you do.
But now I do, so I need to test this one out, but
Yep.
it feels good. What I like about this, I mean, I know this sounds a bit kind of stupid, but yeah, with duck and down, with a down, look, you can sort of mould it, you know, it sinks, you sink into it, you know. If you're a bloke and you've got your settee or your chair,
Yeah.
you kind of like, you sit in it and you kind of like mould the cushions to your, you like it. And I like my pillows to mould to
your head.
to my shape, my shoulders, everything's just mould. You get those horrible synthetic hollow fibre cushions and they're just like a block and they're horrible. Or they try and sell you those horrible memory foam ones, like in a kind of weird wedge that you're meant to stick under your head. And there was one I saw on the TV the other day,
Yeah.
which goes between your knees.
What?
For a better night's sleep, put this wedge of foam between your knees.
What a load of rubbish.
No idea. Anyway, for a guy who spends a lot of time sleeping in the woods,
Yeah.
under a blanket, on the ground, being a ground dweller as I am, this is luxury.
But just to clarify, you're not going to take this camping.
I'm not going to take this camping. This is for my luxury bedding.
Your luxury bed.
My luxury bedding on my luxury bed.
In your luxury room.
In my boudoir.
In your luxury house.
Yes.
On your luxury street.
On my luxury
County.
county. Anyway, yeah, I like it. So anyway,
Do you like it?
I do. But we need to talk price. And the price for this, I'm going to punch that up now because I didn't pay for it. Tina paid for this. So the price is, drum roll please.
What's
And
the
it's
price?
disappeared.
Oh dear.
Oh gosh.
Oh no.
It's £17.94 from Amazon Prime.
It is.
No postage.
I have little experience buying pillows. Is that a good price for a pillow?
I don't have no idea. No idea, because I've never bought a pillow.
Okay.
In all my 57 years, I don't think I've ever bought a pillow.
Comfort wise,
Yep. I'm leaning on it now.
Would you say that it was worth the money that was paid for?
No. I'm a heavy guy. Okay? I've got a lot of upper body weight, and when I lie down, I like a bit of support. I hate lying like flat, like there's no pillow support.
Yeah.
If I am out in the wilds, I usually get my my Bergen, my pack, and use that as a pillow.
Yeah.
This is just so kind of like spongy
Yeah.
and luxurious. I think by itself, I don't think I'd like it if it was just by itself. I think if it was by itself, I'd probably end up doing that.
Right.
I'd probably end up folding it in half to get the thickness I want. So I kind of think that what's going to happen is I'm either going to end up with another one of these.
Right.
So go from like 9 pillows, 6 normal ones, a
4.
V pillow and a couple of others, to 4 pillows. 2 of these will do me good. So anyway, that's our review this time.
So you like it? You think it's worth it?
I don't know. 17, nearly 20 quid.
I mean,
for a pillow?
pillows I think can be very expensive. So I think considering the size and its
I mean, it is
enormity.
It's a special size pillow.
Yeah.
And it is duck and down. And to be honest with you,
And it's luxury.
and it's luxury. For my own experience in the furniture trade, when you're dealing with feather these days, duck and down, the prices have rocketed because of bird flu. Right. It's become very, pricey product to get hold of. So I'm kind of wondering that £17, 20 quid.
It's an alright price.
Is an okay price. But the pillow, the quality of it,
it's really good.
Yeah, I like
really
it.
Good.
I like it.
You like it.
I
That's
like
good.
it. I like the detail on the seams. So let's get it back. I'm going to put the pillow over here.
Was there anything? Ow!
Sorry.
Ow! I wasn't expecting that.
I can't help myself.
That
It's a
hurt my
pillow.
eyes.
I think it's a pillow. Let's get the luxury packet. Okay.
Was there anything else in there, or is it literally
No.
just the pillow?
Just the pillow. Just the pillow.
Okay, it's literally just okay.
With its luxury packet. So if you are fancying a natural duck feather and down extra fill super king size pillow, this natural pillow contains 15% duck down and 85% duck feather, making it more durable and supportive to your head, shoulders and neck. It also boasts a 233 thread count, 100% cotton casing, which gives this pillow a natural finish. And it's made by Littens for luxury living.
We should put some kind of luxury counter in this
So
video.
there you go. I'm going to be totally common. I'm going to be in my luxury bed with my luxury pillow, eating luxury nibbliettes. Anyway, that's it. It's a pillow. I like it. It's going on my bed.
There you are.
And Buzz is going to get a good night's sleep.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel and comment below any suggestions of further reviews you'd like to see.
Find this product on Amazon. We'll see you in the next one.